Alright, I've dissected the two bumpers. This one's in good condition, but it's got holes from the spoiler, so we're going to attempt to plastic filler those with a sacrificial piece from this one. So they're the two bumpers pulled apart. They're all the bits there on the table that I can make a really good one out of two and choose which ones are going to be the best. Alright, so I'm melting this reinforcement mesh onto the back. Let's put it here. Let's see if we can get one. So there are these plastic rods in here from this very, very cheap and dangerous kit, which has this incorrect plug. Anyway, whatever. They're all pinned on. And I've cut two bits out of the donor bumper bar, so I've got the same type of plastic and clean them up. I think the best way to do this is to try to take a big chunk off with the welder first, and then slide it into where it needs to go. I just want to fill the back of this hole. And a bit of a practice before I go around to the front to fill the hole up, which could be, I mean, it may not even work properly, but I'm going to try. I just want to fill the back up and make sure it's got something to stick to. So they're all filled from the back, that's not going anywhere. Alright, that's how they're looking on the front. This will need a clean up, then I'll start seeing if we can melt some plastic into those holes. bigger hole, more plastic. I want to melt it right down from the top in a big chunk and get it in there. So I'm trying not to melt all the surrounding area, which means I should be able to just sand it back once it's filled. We hope. See, I live in the country. I probably could have gone and picked up a bumper for $40. But I don't want to drive for 3 hours and I've got one, so I'll try and fix it. And it's a good experiment, isn't it? Really. The only thing with this is to really take your time. This thing is dangerous. You know, that actually turned out surprisingly well, which I'm really happy with. Probably needs a little bit of plastic bumper bar filler to fill in the small holes and imperfections. But the whole bumper needs a sandback and to get it ready for black bumper spray, because that's what come out on Granny spec. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks to my new subscribers. Hope you enjoyed.